While a plain white form gets the job done, a branded, well-designed form is what actually drives engagement and gets more responses. Let's walk through how to customize the look and feel of your Google form in just a few minutes. Start by clicking the paint palette icon in the top toolbar to open the theme panel. At the top, you'll see the text style section. This is where you can choose your header font and adjust the size to make it stand out. You can also customize the font and size for your questions and descriptions to ensure everything is easy to read. Moving down, we have the header section. Click Choose Image to give your form a visual identity. You'll see 3 tabs: Themes, Uploads, and Photos. The Themes tab offers a variety of categories to browse through. Once you find one you like, just click it and hit Insert to see it appear at the top of your form. If you have your own branded header, click the X icon next to the current image and select Choose Image again. Head over to the Upload tab where you can browse your files or simply drag and drop your design right in. You can even pull images directly from your connected Google Photos. Next up is the Color section. You can select any of the preset colors or change the background shade to match. For a truly custom look, click the plus sign and use the slider to find the perfect hue. If you have a specific brand color, you can enter the hex code directly. For instance, if I want to use Spotify's signature green, I'll type in #1DB954 and click Add to see the change instantly. Once your theme is set, let's look at the form layout. On the right-hand side, you'll see a floating toolbar. Click the image icon to add a picture anywhere in your form, whether that's between questions or at the start of a section. Speaking of sections, click the section icon to create a break. This places the following questions on a new page, which keeps the form from looking overwhelming. Be sure to give each section a clear name so respondents knew exactly what to expect. Now let's dive into the Settings tab and open the Presentation menu. I highly recommend turning on Shuffle Question Order. This ensures questions appear in a different order for every respondent, which is great for preventing bias. You should also turn on the Progress bar. This shows people exactly how much they have left, which significantly reduces drop-off rates on longer forms. Don't forget to customize your confirmation message. This is what people see right after they hit Submit. Change the default text to something a bit more personal and professional. Click Save and you're all set. Finally, click the preview icon to see your finished masterpiece exactly as your respondents will. With your custom theme colors, header image, and organized sections, your form is ready to go. Just don't forget to hit Publish. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.